My name is Ramya Kandasamy and I'm a Customer Success Manager here at Hortonworks. In this video, we will talk about how to create a case. Once I have received my login via email, I go to support.hortonworks.com and enter that in, and this is our support portal. So to create a case, I can either go to Create New Case or click on the Cases tab here. And before I create a new case, I want to point out that if you want to view all the cases that your team has opened, make sure that this View tab is set to All Cases and click Go, instead of just My Open Cases. In order to create a case, you click the Create New Case button, and there are a couple of fields that are in red, which are mandatory. Product type, so are you using NiFi or data flow or HTTP? Deployment phase, are you in production, development, etc. The operating system, and the important field here is severity. So we have SLAs with our customers based on your severity level. If you log an S1 case where production is down, we will respond to you within 1 hour. If you have an S1 case, we recommend that you open up a case as well as call our global phone support numbers, which is located in our Home tab. We also target to have a workaround and resolution in place within 2 to 4 hours of when you log that case. If it's an S2 case, so this has high business impact, but it can either be in production or non-production, our SLA to you is a response time of 4 hours. If it is a bug, if it is a product bug that requires it to be incorporated into a maintenance release, that can take up to 6 to 8 weeks. However, we do try to provide a workaround for our customers in 24 to 72 hours so that you're back up and running. If you log in S3, this has less business impact. These are more nice to have features. And our SLA for first response is 8 hours. If it's a feature, it will have to be incorporated into our feature releases, which may take between 6 months to a year. However, we will also target to provide workarounds for you before that time frame. If it is an S4 situation or request for information, you would apply this to, for example, administrative requests, general questions, and that response time is 1 day. So we also ask that when you log an S2 or an S3 that you provide us the importance. And the reason we ask this is we have a lot of S2 cases that are logged, and if you log an S2 high and an S2 medium, we know which of your cases to prioritize first. Product component, so if you know which aspect of your HTTP deployment is having issues, you would select that. And then problem type, is it an installation thing, a performance issue, a cluster administration problem, etc. And within the problem statement, we ask that you provide us a clear statement of the problem, any symptoms that you're experiencing, and any error messages. The more detailed you are, the better. And within details, if you have snippets of code or log files that you think would be helpful, that's always appreciated. Speaking of log files, you can add attachments. So if you know which pieces of log files an engineer may need, you can certainly click Submit and click Add Attachment. So once I click Submit, the case has been created and I'll receive an email notification that it's been created. Regarding the severity levels, if you want to have more information about what I just talked about, within our Home tab, we have our support guide here, which has a lot of extensive information about our support policies. So I encourage all customers to go there.